A few points to understand about themes and the SolidCAM simulator. Each theme has the ability to match any other theme by changing the settings in that theme. Any changes in the current theme will be saved for that theme. For instance, the position of the simulation slider will be saved and remembered separately for each theme. Let's begin by making some changes to the existing themes. For the default theme, I would like to make 3 changes. First, I would like to hide the target. Second, I would like to remove the transparency that's on the stock. And then third, I would like to hide the toolpath. Pressing OK will save our theme, and we can play. I am opening an HSM part so that we can make our own theme for analyzing toolpath. We will duplicate the 3D theme and call it 3D cutting only. What I would like to do is to deselect follow the tool so the whole toolpath is visible. And second, I would like to deselect visible from the rapid cuts. And I would like to do the same thing also for the links. Now that our theme is saved, I can load all of the toolpaths and I can review them. I can review them by using the skip operation forward. And what we see is only the cutting movements without any links or rapid moves. Now clicking anywhere on the toolpath will reposition the tool at that point for additional inspection. Double-clicking on the toolpath will reposition the simulation slider at that point, and we can press play to visualize from that spot.